Hello, all you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Under the Sun. Yes, I haven't made any video for quite some time now because I was held up with a lot of things. And please ignore the background noise that's coming because I cannot help it. It's been raining in Bangalore since 3 days and it's continuous. So let's quickly get started. This Apple iPhone, I haven't bought it online because of a lot of things. Because people say you might get a duplicate phone, you might get a stone. So to avoid all that, yes, I paid 10k extra and bought it from Apple Store. The iPhone 128 GB variant online it says 43k or 48k, but I have paid 54k plus 2k for adapter from directly from the store. So I wouldn't say an unboxing here because I have opened a lot of things because of again security issues. I want the product, I want when you're paying so much, obviously you want the product to be genuine. So quickly let's get started and I'll show you what I bought. Hooray, I bought an Apple iPhone 128 GB white variant. Now all the girls especially they want they want the themes or they want wallpapers for iPhone. And initially I am a new beginner, like let me tell you that I haven't been using iPhone at all. From Android I've just gone to iPhone for the first time, and I wanted to, I wanted wallpapers, but then Pinterest is the one that saved my life. And as you can see, I have kept a home screen, lock screen, and then home screen. So quickly, let me tell you the display. This is a 6.1-inch liquid retina display, that is 1792 into 828 HD display. So you get 12 megapixel front and back, and this is iOS 13 operating system, A13 Bionic chip, and it says water and dust resistant, but I wouldn't want to expose it to dust or water. And it says fingerprint resisting and oleophobic coating. And let me tell you that I have put a tempered glass behind. I hope they call tempered glass itself. So I have put tempered glass here and also in the front. Because and also if you are a new user to iPhone, so the rights, please ignore. If you are pro in iPhone, I am not. So this is for people who are beginners. So if you scroll from right, that is where you get all the details here. If you want to silent your phone, if you want to increase the volume, all of that you can do it. And also one thing that I noticed is if your pages are open, for example, you can long press this, and then you can uh, close the page like this. So for all of you who want to listen to music free of cost, yes, this is Spotify is really good. And yes, that's about it. And display is all I wanted. I didn't like the design of iPhone 12 because it has sharp edges. I wanted like curved edges, as you can see here. I hope the phone is clear. And I have bought a white. So this is the selfie camera. As you can see how clear it is, and just imagine the amount of clarity you will get in your selfies. So the other thing that I wanted to show you is the light. So you can increase if you're shooting in low light, then definitely you can see my nail polish here, so clear and nice. So you can increase the light to maximum, or depending on how you want the light to be, and this is how you can adjust the light. Also you can use flash automatically. It would detect that you need to use your flash in low light. And I mean there are a lot of features in iPhone that I am button. And this is the silent or this is the silent or general mode, to how much it can capture. So this is how it can capture. Best, and I'm very happy with the white variant. I always like white phones. As you can see that you would have seen in my front camera, I was using Redmi Note 8 Pro white color, and this is also white. One advice I would suggest to all who are going to buy the iPhone 11, please put tempered glass behind and front, because you're paying so much and you wouldn't want it to be destroyed in seconds. And also I don't have insurance, so if physical damage, my phone is going to go. So I've also purchased a back case and a pouch for this. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. And yes, I forgot all the accessories in this. Let's quickly see the accessories. The only accessory that you would get is a USB cable. Yes, I don't know, iPhone people are very confused in that matter. And there's nothing much in this. There's the pin where you need to put your SIM card. And that's all. They've given the cable. The cable is also not quite long, so don't think of keeping it very far and all. Sorry. And this is the USB adapter. I was very particular that I wanted to buy only iPhone adapter and nothing else, because when you bought Apple, you may as well go for Apple adapter. And the technical specifications are it is 20 watts USB-C type power adapter sector USB-C DE20. I don't know all this technicalities. As you can see, you can get to know, but I'm not into much of technology and all. So yes, this is, and the adapter is quite small. That wouldn't be a problem because you can carry it wherever you go. But I would suggest you to go for a Apple adapter because it would be very compatible and for the product to run for a very long time. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Yes, people who are wanting to buy iPhone 11, this is the best time to buy. But I'm not sure if you have to buy it online. Yes, if you have experience and you have that faith to buy it online, then please go ahead and buy. It's like 10K less. Online it says 43 something, and if you want to buy white, then this is how it looks. Also, it has like silver. In the aisles, it has silver color and then bright white. This is the best. So guys, I'm not sure how the colors would have come out when I was shooting from my tripod. So this is in-depth review in my hand. You can see that it's super white and it's bright white. You can see, you can compare the color actually with the box. The box is super white, and along with that it's super white, and this logo is also not hampered because of the back tempered glass. And there's this constant light that's going on and off. I don't know for what reason. I need to find it out. And yes, this is about it. It's super white, bright. In case you guys want to see it how it is, please go ahead with white. It's superb. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.